Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lee from Adventure FPV, and we are down here near San Antonio, Texas. We are at my sister's beautiful and amazing house. We're on a family vacation here. She just moved in, so we wanted to come down and see her new place. This place is absolutely amazing, so we're going to do some fly-throughs here. So we're going to fly the Avata, and I'm also going to fly the Shendrone Squirt through the house. The signal's terrible around here. I think it's all the stonework in her house, but I'm getting a terrible signal every time I fly, so it's going to be kind of tricky to find a good spot. Okay, future me here. That was a little bit of foreshadowing. I actually flew up to the front of the house, and as I dipped down, I lost signal, crashed, and I bent a bell on the motor. The front right motor will no longer spin, so I ordered a couple more up on race day quads along with a soldering iron and replaced the motor. And after I got it fixed, I found that I was only able to fly about 15 feet away from myself before losing video signal again. And after further inspection, my UFL connection did break off during that crash on the Vista. So I'm going to have to do the rest of these flights with the DJI Avata. We're not going to do a full house tour or anything. We're just going to fly through a little bit through some of the sections of the house just to kind of get an idea. Like I said, they just moved in, so they're not fully stocked up and ready. So let's go ahead and go inside. This is insane trying to find lights in here. Where are all the lights? This is like light overkill. Oh, here we go. Here's another light panel. Let's see. Wine room, cove light, party lights. Hey, there we go, party lights.